Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Tip number 2. We recommend cleaning out your garbage can at least twice per year, once in the spring and once in the fall. Cleaning your outdoor garbage can right after garbage day is the best time to clean out your outdoor garbage cans.
Take our lead.
You will want to fill about 1/4 of the can with water, and then add dish soap or 1 or 2 cups of distilled white vinegar. You can then use a handled brush to scrub the bin. If a more abrasive cleaner is required, make a paste with water and baking soda to use with your scrub brush.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Unplug the vacuum cleaner and remove the canister. Wipe the inside of the canister with a dry microfiber cloth. Wash the canister in the sink with warm soapy water. Rinse away all soap suds. Let the canister dry completely before replacing it.
Take our lead.
How to keep outdoor trash cans clean. Don't overstuff trash bags. Make sure trash bags are sealed tightly. Don't throw small loose items in outdoor bins. Recycle. Rinse your outdoor garbage can after pickup.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.